Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter number 4, sorting materials into group. As you know, we have a number of materials all around us. Okay, and these materials are made up of matter. So first of all, try to find out what is matter. Yes, matter is any object. Any object which has mass. Mass means weight, which has mass, which has weight and occupies space. That is a matter. For example, this pen is a matter. This pen is a matter because it has weight, it has mass and it occupies space. So any object that has mass and occupies space, that is a matter. So what do you think? Air is a matter? Water is a matter? Yes, this is a matter because they had weight and they occupy space. Now, we are going to talking about materials. Okay, materials are those materials from which any object is made. Okay, the matter is made up of the materials. For example, this pen. It is made up of which material? Yes, plastic. This is made up of plastic. So we can say materials are those from which an object is made. For example, you can say there is a glass. There is a glass or a tumbler. A glass or a tumbler, it can be made with the help of the steel. So steel is a material. So any object, the matter, any object which is made by the material. Now we have to find out to make the object which type of materials we should use. And do you know same material can be used for making different type of objects. For example, plastic. Okay, this plastic can be used for making pen. Okay, this can be used for making toys. Yes, this plastic can be used for making furniture like chair, table. So a single material plastic and it can be used for making different objects. And the reverse of it is also possible. You find means a single object. A single object, it can be made by using different materials. For example, this glass is there. Okay, this glass can be made with the material plastic. This glass can be made with the material steel. Okay, and this glass can be made with the material like your glass. Okay, so a tumbler can be made by using the material plastic, by using the material steel, by using the material glass or wood. Means we can use a single material for making different objects, and we can a single object can be made by using different materials. Now the question is there, how can we choose the material? So answer is this, कि when we have to make any object, so first of all we have to find out कि what is the use, what is the aim of that object. For example, your cooking utensils. Cooking utensils, naturally they are used to cook the food. So we have to choose the material accordingly which is a good conductor of heat. Okay, in the same way tumbler. Tumbler, if we have to make a tumbler, can we use a piece of cloth to make a tumbler? Yes, no. Okay, you are right. We are not able, a piece of cloth cannot be used for to make a tumbler because a piece of cloth cannot hold water. Yes, the water will comes down. The water will comes out. And what is the main use of tumbler? To hold the liquid. So in that way, when we are going to choose any material to make an object, we have to take care for what purpose the object is going to be used, and second, we have to take care of the properties of materials. Yes, properties of materials. Key for what are the properties? As I told you, cooking utensils. For making the cooking utensils, we have to choose the materials which is a good conductor of heat. Yes, for making the tumbler, we have to choose the material which can hold the liquid. So, different properties of a material are like the appearance. First is you can say appearance of the materials or transparency of the material. Transparency of the material. This material, it can be object, it is float or sink in water. Okay, it can be hard, it can be a soft one. So different properties, different materials have different properties, and now we will start the discussion of that properties one by one.